YouTuber P2istheName passed away at age 26 years old in Los Angeles mailroom. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Popular YouTube star P2istheName has died. He was aged 26 years old. According to reports from TMZ, the influencer whose legal name is Philip Eniwali was found dead on Friday, March the 14th in a mailroom in Los Angeles County. Eniwali's cause of death is not yet known, the outlet reported. The Los Angeles County Medical Office did not respond to requests for further information. TMZ also reported that Eniwali's mother confirmed the news and asked the fans to respect her privacy during this difficult time. Eniwali has been making videos for nearly 10 years and has amazed nearly 4 million YouTube subscribers in that time. He is known for his gaming videos in which he played video games including NBA 2K and Fortnite, as well as pranks and more. He later went on to start a production company as well as his own clothing line and opened up about the process of funding a company in several of his videos. He often spoke about his faith and was candid about the difficulties of starting a business.